In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace. If you're looking to integrate Mailchimp with your Squarespace site for email campaigns and newsletters, you're in the right place. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want to add a sign-up form or newsletter block. Whether it's your home page, a dedicated landing page, or any other section of your site, ensure you're in the right spot to maintain a cohesive user experience. Now let's move into edit mode. Here, you'll see an option to add various blocks to your page. Look for the Add Block option, usually indicated by a plus sign. This is where Squarespace offers a variety of features to enhance your site. Scroll through the options and select the newsletter block. This feature will serve as the primary tool for collecting email signups. Once you've added the newsletter block to your page, it's essential to configure its storage settings. This setup determines where the data from your email signups will be stored, which is crucial for effective email marketing management. Typically, Squarespace defaults to storing this data within its own system. However, we'll be integrating with Mailchimp today. In the storage settings, look for an option to connect another service. This is where you'll choose Mailchimp. Selecting Mailchimp will prompt you to either log into your Mailchimp account or authorize the connection if you're already logged in. This process ensures that the two platforms can communicate smoothly, allowing your Squarespace site to send the collected data directly to Mailchimp. After you successfully authorize the connection between Mailchimp and Squarespace, the next step is to decide which Mailchimp audience, or list, the form submissions will go to. Audiences in Mailchimp help you organize and target your contacts effectively. Choose the appropriate audience to ensure your new subscribers are automatically added to the correct list within Mailchimp. With the integration almost complete, you now have the option to customize your newsletter block. Under the Content or Form field settings of the block, you can edit the text displayed on your site. This includes changing the title, adjusting the sign-up form's introductory text, and deciding whether to require additional fields like a name. Tailoring these elements helps align the form with your site's branding and messaging. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the settings and customizations, remember to save or publish the page. This will make your changes live for your site visitors, enabling them to start signing up for your newsletters with ease. And there you have it. By integrating Mailchimp with Squarespace, you're now set to efficiently manage and grow your email list. Thank you for watching, and happy email marketing.